Hello and welcome back friends after a while. Today I'm going to show how I'll be transferring this just simply hanging Pothos plant into a very nice and beautiful look. You can see I have transferred that simply hanging Pothos plant all over my ceiling and it's looking just amazing. So I will show you the process. The primary reason was the plant was growing so long, as well as my baby was also getting hold of it. I have to protect both of them. So I got some fishing thread which is transparent and strong that can hold the vines easily for a longer time. And I mapped all the ceiling area and put 6 screws on the ceiling and tied with the fishing thread in a rectangular shape. And counting the number of vines, I added the number of threads that will be stringed towards the center where the pot will be hanging. They are quite tight and strong, that's how it is required. You can see the number of strings down there. So those strings will be placed towards the center where the pot will be hanging. And you can see how neat and tidy it is. Since there were a lot of strings that I could not tie with the center screw, so I added a center ring, another ring, so that all those strings could be held near the center. So that's how it looks, neat and tidy and strong so far. So unentangle all those vines, just be careful since the leaves tend to fall because they are so fragile. However, the vines are pretty strong. So you can see in the floor they occupy quite a bit of space. So just put the plant just like that. I have used green wire to hold up the vines. They doesn't look quite obvious over the ceiling and it's really working so nice. I also try to cover the pot with the Pothos vine so that the pot is not obvious and it looks much more beautiful and nice. So watering, every 10 days I used to water that plant when the leaves seems not in good shape. Just water is enough to work perfectly fine with this plant. You don't need to add any sort of things. After 4 months, you can see the vines has covered whole of my ceiling space in my room. So it looks like I am sitting under a tree. It is so nice and it gives literally a good peace of mind for me. So basically the plant is doing really good because all the vines are open and it gets maximum amount of indirect light from outside, and light is the primary source of energy for this plant as well. So water and light, that's enough. You don't need anything. That's how the plant has been doing so far. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer you. If you like a video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.